Hello? Sorry for the accent right there. Just was practicing that. Once you get a zippo, my flint's completely gone. In my case, it fell out on my last attempt of making this video because there still was a little bit. This is my third attempt at this video, so yeah. But check out the insert. Take out that little screw, which you can barely see in my case. Just unscrew it a little bit with the case, and unscrew the rest with your hand. Also, you should mainly just use Zippo brand flints, but if you've got Ronson, pop out a Ronson flint, and if you've got Zippo, get your Zippo flint container, and get a flint. Oh, stupid piece of shit. Don't fall. Yes, be sure it does not fall. So if it falls, it's most likely gone. And screw this in as tight as you can. By the way, this thing on the end, the little gold thing, is not a flint. I learned that the hard way a long time ago. Not with this Zippo though. It was a high polish chrome that my mom gave me when I was 10. I just filled it up, so hang on. Didn't want to go strike it backwards like twice. Fuck. I guess you gotta put it in a certain way. So be sure you put it in the right way. In my case, I didn't, and I'm gonna by the way, that was just fucking salespeople. Call all fucking day. Yeah. So don't put it in the way I first did. Come out. Come out.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Put it in. Oh, you can't see that. But put it in this way. And just tighten it up. Put it back in the right way. You gotta make sure this little cam is facing the lid, or else it won't close. There we go. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, now you can. Just build it up. You guys watch the filling video too if you don't know how to do that. Peace!